Hello friends, let us discuss one question on retirement of partner where one partner is retired and one of the continuing partner has taken asset from the firm. How to give treatment to this adjustment, that will be understanding in this question. Let us go through the question. Sunil, Nitish, Sapna were partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in proportion of 1 upon 2, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 6 respectively. This profit sharing ratio is not clear, so we are required to simplify this. It is 1 upon 2, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 6. Here we are consider 6 as a common factor. 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 6 1s are 6. So here in case of Sunil, it will be 3 by 6. Nitish, it will be 2 by 6. And Sapna, 1 by 6. So actual ratio will be 3:2:1. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2012 was as follows. Asset side, machinery 40,000, furniture 5,000, sundry assets 60,000, stock 30,000, debtors 32,000, bank balance 23,000. Liability side we have bills payable 30,000, capital of Sunil 80,000, Nitish 50,000, Sapna 30,000. Sapna decided to retire on 1st April 2012. So Sapna is retiring. Her share is 1 by 6. Goodwill of the firm valued at rupees 30,000. So goodwill is raised at its full value. Furniture was taken over by Sunil for 4,700. Here furniture is of 5,000. Taken by Sunil for 4,700. Sunil's capital account debit 4,700. Profit and loss adjustment account debit 300. To furniture account 5,000. Sunil has taken furniture for 4,700. That difference in 4,700 and book value 5,000 is charged to profit and loss adjustment account. Make provision for unpaid expenses 1,700. This will be recorded in liabilities. Second effect, profit and loss adjustment account debit. Out of amount due to Sapna, 7,500 to be paid by check, that is part payment, and the remaining amount should be transferred to our loan account. We are required to prepare profit and loss adjustment account, partners capital account, and balance sheet of new firm. Let us start doing posting. Sunil, Nitish, Sapna were partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in proportion of 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 6. We have simplified this. It is 3:2:1. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2012 was as follows. We'll start with liability side. Bills payable 30,000. There is no adjustment on this item. So directly we can record this in new balance sheet on liability side. New balance sheet liability side, bills payable 30,000. Next, capital of partners, Sunil 80,000, Nitish 50,000, Sapna 30,000. This will be credited to partners capital account. Capital of Sunil 80,000, Nitish 50,000, Sapna 30,000. This will be transferred to their respective capital account on credit side. Partners capital account credit by balance brought down. Sunil 80,000, Nitish 50,000, Sapna 30,000. Let us consider asset side. Machinery 40,000. This will be transferred to new balance sheet on asset side. There is no adjustment on machinery. Outer column 40,000. Furniture 5,000 is taken over by Sunil. There is an adjustment on this. New balance sheet asset side. Inner column. Furniture is having book value 5,000. Sundry assets, no adjustments. New balance sheet asset side, outer column. Asset side, sundry assets 60,000. Stock 30,000. New balance sheet asset side. There is no adjustment on stock. New balance sheet asset side, stock 30,000. Debtors 32,000. New balance sheet asset side. Bank balance 23,000. Debtors we have recorded outer column 32,000. Bank there is adjustment. Inner column 23,000. We have recorded items of liabilities and assets. Let us go through the adjustments now. Goodwill of the firm will be valued at 30,000. That is, goodwill is raised at its full value. So entry will be goodwill account debit to all partners capital account. This will be divided in old ratio, that is 3:2:1. Partners capital account credit by goodwill 15,000, 10,000, 5,000. This will have another effect. Balance sheet asset side, goodwill will be recorded as new asset. New balance sheet asset side, goodwill we have 30,000. Next adjustment now, furniture taken over by Sunil for 4,700. Here asset side, furniture taken by Sunil. So it will be nil now as it is taken withdrawn by the partner Sunil. Sunil's capital account debit to furniture 4,700. As it is withdrawn by Sunil, it will be drawings debited to his capital account. Difference 300 will be debited to profit and loss adjustment account. To furniture 300, 5,000 minus 4,700. Make provision for unpaid expenses 1,700. This will have one effect, profit and loss adjustment account debit. Second effect, new balance sheet liability side. Make provision for unpaid expenses 1,700. This will have one effect, profit and loss adjustment account debit. Provision for unpaid expenses 1,700. This will have another effect, new balance sheet liability side. New balance sheet liability side, provision for unpaid expenses 1,700. Out of amount due to Sapna, 7,500 to be paid by check and the remaining amount to be transferred to her loan account. So bank balance 23,000 less paid to Sapna 7,500. So balance is 15,500 in bank. This will have second effect in partner's capital account debit side to bank Sapna column 7,500. Now we can close profit and loss adjustment account. There is a loss of rupees 2,000 divided among partners in their profit sharing ratio 3:2:1. Sunil 1,000, Nitish 667, Sapna 333. This will be transferred to partners capital account debit side. Partners capital account debit to profit and loss adjustment account. This is for loss transferred. Now we can close partners capital account and balances we can transfer to new balance sheet on liability side. We have closed partners capital account. Sapna's capital account shows amount payable 27,167. This will be transferred to her loan account. Sunil's capital account balance 89,300. Nitish capital account 59,333. This will be closing balance which will be transferred to new balance sheet on liability side. We have closed balance sheet. Capitals are transferred. Sunil 89,300, Nitish 59,333, Sapna's loan account 27,167. Total of asset side 2,07,500, which is equal to total of liabilities 2,07,500. It means new balance sheet is tally. In this question we learn how to give effect if any asset is taken by continuing partner at the time of retirement of another partner. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe to our channel Ekeeda. Thank you.